intro and the chorus we have this little octave shape on the 3rd fret of the A and the 5th fret of the G, and we're just going to strum down in 8th notes. And that's just played on repeat. The second guitar part is going to play a little bar across E and 8 at the 8th fret, and then the pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string, and again we're just going to play down in 8th notes. But then we're going to add the 3rd finger on the 2nd bar to the 10th fret of the A string. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So there's 2 guitar parts in the verse as well. We have the chords, a C based bar chord with the 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the A, and then a 3rd finger bar on the 5th fret of the D, G and B strings. We're going to keep the shape exactly the same for the whole chorus, moving up to an F chord, 8, 10, 10 and 10, and then a G, 10, 12, 12 and 12. The strumming pattern is actually the same for each of these chords, but we'll look at it here on the C chord. We've got 2 down strums, but we're going to play the chord, immediately rest after it. So staccato notes are down, down, and then a longer down, up, rest, and then up with a staccato, and then up, down, down. So down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Okay? Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. This is played twice on the C chord. Then we move up to that F chord, 8, 10, 10 and 10, and it's exactly the same strumming, just for 1 bar, before we move up to the G, 10, 12 and 12 and 12, and for 2 full bars here, same strumming pattern. And that's the whole strumming pattern. So the C, F, G, played on repeat. For the second guitar part, we're going to play these little triad shapes. They're all the same. It's 1st finger bar here on the 8th fret of the E and B, and then we have the 9th fret on the G string with the 2nd finger. And we're just going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so kind of off the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we'll move to the F, which is 1, 1 and 2. So down here at the 1st fret, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Up 2 frets to 3, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the whole second guitar part is that C, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. F, G, played on repeat. There is also one other guitar part in the bridge, which is an octave shape here at the 10th fret of the D and 13th fret on the B string. And the rhythm is slightly different. It goes down, down, up, up, down,